Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 26th, 2021. Solana. Guess what? We're going to talk about Solana today. So you are at a great spot, a great location on YouTube to get the honest, more realistic price prediction in the cryptocurrency space. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're going to talk about that today. So before I get started and talk about our last video that we did for Solana and tell you where I'm looking for the price to go next, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well. You guys don't want to miss out on any of our videos because I'm going to keep it real and keep it honest. And I'm going to give it a lot of hype. I'm not going to give it a lot of fun and FOMO that so many other YouTubers are trying to get you all to buy these cryptocurrencies. You guys can tell we play the upside. We also play the downside in the markets. If price is going to go down, I'll let you know as to where I'm looking for the price to go. So make sure you guys go ahead and do all of that. If you guys appreciate the videos and the content. Now, let me break down and see what happened to Solana's price against our last video. The last video was done on November the 12th. So here it is towards the end of the month of November. And now you guys can see that our prediction was pretty much accurate. We was looking for the price in Solana to go down. Well, it did that. So hopefully you all were able to capitalize on this movement in Solana to get at least 17.8% out the market right here. Simple, easy, done. It wasn't nothing complicated about us forecasting Solana going down in price. Matter of fact, we had two opportunities, right? Well, at least three. First opportunity was on the 18th. Second opportunity is right there on the 19th. And then again today, November the 26th. Three opportunities for us to grab that 17, almost 18% profitability out the market. That's done. That is over. We need to look forward. We need to be predictors of where market price is going to go into the future. Now, one of the things I really want to talk about is that I'm not really being bullish into the market in Solana right now for two reasons. One, price has broken $220 to the downside, right? Two, $180. Well, we're breaking the price in Solana against our overall trend. So let me show you this right here. Okay. Market price in Solana was able to hold this ascending line, right? Except for today. Price is now closing below that trend. That is a massive catalyst letting us know that the overall trend is being broken in Solana. So we need to kind of switch our mentality then. If you see any other videos coming out in Solana telling us to continually come in and buy the market when we're still seeing that the chart is showing this price is weak, you need to be wary of those individuals. We need to wait until the market finds support. Now, we may not be that far from Solana finding support though. Can you see it? It's right there around $180. That is the nearest term area of support that we need to see price uphold. If it's able to uphold $180, then that's the base. That's the support. That's where the buyers are at. So we need to keep our eyes open on that as we go into the month of December. All right. So let me go ahead and let's see, should you come in and buy Solana right now? Can the market go to 250? All right. So we're going to look at a couple of different time frames on the chart to see if Solana has enough momentum to try to hit that $250 price. Now, namely, I will give you this. If price is able to maintain $180, then yeah, long term, we can see the market in Solana hit $250, right? So let's see. Look at this on a 3-day time frame real quick into the market in Solana. You guys can see overall, there's still some weakness here. So I don't want to give you all the rainbows and the cupcakes and say that everything is fine, because it's not. When you look at all of these 3-day price bars here in Solana, you guys can tell that there's been times to where price wanted to go up, but in the end, the conclusion is that we still see price go down. So there is too much stockpile coming on into the market in Solana right now. So I really want to emphasize that $180 price for Solana. We need to uphold that. The buyers really need to stand firm at $180, because if so, then we're going to continue to see that market try to hit that 250. But right now, the stockpile is outdoing those who are trying to buy the market. Let's look at this on a different time frame. So this is Solana here on the 5-day. And again, you guys can kind of tell that this was our opportunity for us to reclaim the higher price. And it didn't happen. Currently, we got 6 hours and 46 minutes left on this current 5-day price point, and we're still seeing the bar price close below where we were on the last 5-day price bar. That's not good news for us to see the price go up in Solana. And not only that, we had an opportunity right here on this 5-day price bar in the beginning of the month to see Solana go up. And since that time, price has been doing nothing but going down. So again, we have to be cautious. We have to be real careful about who we listen to, about the things that we read, about the people that we actually pay attention to, because the chart is telling us something different. This is what we do here on HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We pay attention to the price. Price is the ultimate deciding factor as to where the market is thinking. And right now, people are trying to sell. Let's take a look at the market in Solana on a monthly time frame, seeing that we are towards the end of the month in November. And take a look at that there. All right, look at it. You guys can tell from the monthly price bar currently in Solana. And then I want you all to see something else at the bottom of this price chart. Look at the volume. Where's the volume? Nobody is trying to push up the price in Solana. There's no interest, no demand coming through into the market in Solana right now. Because if so, we would have seen a lot more volume come into the space than what we've seen the last couple of months. This market volume in Solana is literally dry compared to what we've seen the previous months. Ask yourself the question, why? Is there not enough people who's willing to buy Solana above $200? Good question. And make sure you got to question these things when you look at the price, because the market is letting us know literally for the month of November, the buyers did not show up based off where the price is closing currently on this monthly price bar versus the volume as well. So majority of the volume, majority of the trades that occurred for the month of November in Solana has been selling. So now, given that that's the case, let's get prepared. Let us see where Solana is going to go over the next couple of months. So what I'm going to do first is since the price is now trading below our ascended line, I'm going to switch it, right? I'm not looking for the price in Solana to keep hold of this trend. Take a look at this. Right here on the 18th and the 19th of November, yeah, the market bounced off that trend, but only just to come down and break it again today. Just another situation, just another instance that you all can read price charts and let you know that the market here is weak. So now I'm looking at the price in Solana coming down to like a little bit less than $180. That's what I'm looking at. Okay. Now that's the first area. I can also see price trying to come towards 170. So those are the two levels that I'm really paying attention to in Solana. I would like to see the buyers appear on those price levels, 180 or 170. That is how low I'm looking for the price to initially go in Solana first. Now, 3-day time frame. Outside of that, could we see it hit 150? Yeah, we could. Most definitely we can see that. But let's just see what we have though. Let's just see what we have. Okay, if we're looking for the market in Solana to continue to go down in price, we said 180 would be first. Okay, so that would give us what, 7.825%. It's not bad. It's decent. Like I said, I'm not really seeing the market crash in Solana just yet. But at the end of November, I'm going to go back to that monthly price chart. And if the price closes at the low of that monthly price bar in November for Solana, we're going to go a lot lower than 180. My second area is going to be 170. Okay, that would be the second area that I'm going to pay attention to Solana's price going towards. So now let me switch this back over to the daily so you guys can get a better picture as to what I'm looking at from a daily perspective. And I'm going to uplift. I'm going to keep it here. We're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Solana until we see the price ultimately try to break up above. Let me move it up just a little bit here. Okay. This is the restriction area that I'm looking in the market in Solana. If we're able to see price reclaim price above 220, then yeah, $250 is going to be tagged towards the end of this year. I'm here to tell you that now. But until that time, we're going to expect the market in Solana to consolidate, bounce in between these two lines, and have the ability to break 180 to come down to our second level of 170. Okay. Now, breaking 180, breaking 170, it could literally be anywhere below that would be support, right? We would have to be very careful as to where the market in Solana will come in and grab that support price. So right now I'm just going to look at it, try to hold 170, 180. And outside of that, if we break those two price levels, you pretty much already know what to expect. All right. So that's it. I'm done. Now give me your price prediction for Solana. I mean, where do you see the market going to end out 2021? Are you looking for the price to hit that 250 or are you looking for the price to come down? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And I would definitely like to say thank you to all of our day ones, the ones who's been with us since the very beginning of us creating this channel, because hopefully you all have learned and gleaned so much from the information that you're able to garner from price charts and nothing else. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.